The earth is our mother. We are made from her elements. It is our oasis that provides us refreshment. Our Garden of Eden, giving us life and nourishment. Why algae? Because algae are energy multipliers. Algae are single-celled plants. Plants support the entire food chain because of their ability to directly capture photon energy from the sun, combine it with carbon dioxide, and make high-energy sugar, oil, and protein. This process is so effective that phytoplankton, a type of algae, are the primary energy source for this 30-ton whale. The biggest barrier to industrial-scale production is the amount of land space required for open ponds needed to grow the algae. Enough algae to consume the CO2 from an average-sized power plant would need over half the land area of the state of West Virginia. There is a new technology called ViPAR, Vertically Integrated Photo Array Reactor, that can do the same job in just 50 acres. ViPAR is a patented technology that takes all of these same square miles of open ponds and wraps them into a perfect algae growing incubator, an incubator tube. These tubes are assembled into modules. It takes thousands of incubator tubes, yes, even millions of them. But ViPAR technology even allows the tube modules to be stacked and placed indoors. That's how we get all the algae growth space into such a small footprint. These buildings are essentially a weatherproof, climate-controlled greenhouse, and it can be built anywhere in the world, from the frozen tundra to the Mojave Desert. By capturing the CO2 from just one average power plant, ViPAR can grow enough algae to make about 600 million gallons of liquid fuel in a single year. Specifically, 100 million gallons of jet, 100 million gallons of diesel, and 400 million gallons of ethanol. Okay, but in real terms, how much fuel is that? Well, that's enough to power 15 cruise ships for an entire year, or enough fuel to power the third largest railroad in the U.S. for an entire year. It's also enough to keep a Boeing 747 flying for over 10 years, non-stop. That's from just one average-size power plant. There are about 500 average-size power plants in the U.S. alone. If we install this technology at every coal and gas power plant in the United States, we could reduce our foreign oil imports by over 75%. This technology is not cheap, costing almost as much as a new power plant. But the drop-in renewable replacement fuels it produces are cheaper than their fossil-based cousins. ViPAR's system fuel sales provide a 45% return on investment at full scale.
MasseReaction is ready to move this technology forward to sustainable demonstration, but we need your help. We need you to help us build a technology demonstrator. ViPAR technology is based on solid science. It's the first algae reactor system where the tubes can be packed into a module and stacked up 50 feet high, indoors. This combination of patented features make ViPAR the first algae system capable of capturing millions of tons of CO2 in just a few acres. ViPAR is patented around the world. Every country that has reviewed our science has granted us patent without question. It's even been described as revolutionary. That's why scientists and engineers have been working with us for free, because they believe in this technology and are excited about its historic potential. So the question remains, should we do it? Would you? Now you can. This is your opportunity to change the world, to help make our air cleaner, to help make our economies stronger, to help make renewable fuels for a cleaner planet. But we can't do it without you. The world is waiting for us, you and I, to make a difference in our environment, because we are the ones who know that this technology is here. So please, tell your neighbors, tell your coworkers, tell your friends that together we have a window of opportunity to really change the world. Please give what you can to this campaign. Our planet needs us.